Yes, we have still time to go, okay? We can wait.
I can sing Hare Krishna all the time. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Wait, I'll come back. Just don't start the class.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Ram.
Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, thank you, Vrinda. Let's start our class, okay?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak.
Hare Krishna, Deepak and Kaushi. Okay, let's start our class with the prayers. Om
Jana
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam
Vidamyena Bhutale Swayam Dadami Bhutale Swapitantam Namo Vishnu Padaya
Krishna
Prestaya
Prasthaya Mate
Bhaktivedanta
Bhaktivedanta
Swami
Swami
Nina
Namine Namaste
Namaste Saraswate
Deve
Deve
Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Vadi Vasatrishatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri
Shri Advaita Gadaya Ashirati
Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare
Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Rama Rama
Rama Rama
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Rama Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Hare
Rama Hare Rama
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 Hare
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Rama
Hare
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 Rama Rama
Rama
Rama
Rama Hare
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 Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Rama
Rama Rama Rama
Hare
Hare Hare Krishna
Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna Hare Hare
Rama
Hare Rama Hare Rama
Rama
Rama Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare
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 Rama
Hare Rama Hare
Rama
Rama
Rama Hare Hare
Rama Rama Hare
Krishna
Hare Hare Krishna Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Rama
Hare
Hare Rama Rama Rama
Rama
Hare
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare
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 Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna
Where is my video?
Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama
Hare
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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Hare
Very good, kids. Thank you so much for singing so nicely. Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna Mataji is still with
Ishan,
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji is still with
Just once, Bete.
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Vrinda.
Will answer.
Mataji, I cannot see you. Mataji, I cannot see you there. It's not coming, Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji, it's like your screen is frozen.
Wait a couple minutes.
Said
She
Balavinda.
has a power situation. She has like a power
Power
outage
is
situation.
gone.
Yeah, so there is no electricity in her area. That's why.
Betty.
Anjana Mataji.
Rishi. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Rishi Betty.
Haripol Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Vinita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
I think Mataji. Just wait a minute, Mataji. Just wait. And then you can take the class.
Okay, Mataji. Okay, so today we will talk about Saranga Thakur and Murari Chaitanya. Okay? So Saranga Thakur is one of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's disciple. Very good devotee, sorry, not disciples. He is a very great devotee, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted all of his very powerful followers to make a lot of disciples. So, because of that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him that you should take a disciple, at least one disciple you should have. Okay, so okay, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Saranga Thakur that you should take at least one disciple. He decides, okay, whatever happens, the first person I'm going to see tomorrow, I'm going to make him my disciple. So normally the disciple will get to choose who his guru is, right? Right? We all have an opportunity to choose from one of the many gurus that we see. But here, the guru itself is going to say that, oh, okay, I'm going to decide who is going to be my first disciple. And so, just because of that, he decided, like every other day, he would go in the morning to the Ganges. And he went there and he took a bath. And because it was so dark, he felt like he hit another person. He couldn't see who it is. So he thought, oh, this is the very first person that I'm seeing. So I am going to initiate this person. And so he cannot see who it is. He just pulled the person and he gave him the mantra. What mantra did he give him? No one knows?
Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Yes, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Rama Rama Hare
Rama Hare Hare. So actually, what he didn't know is this person whom he was giving the Mahamantra to was dead. But just by the power of Saranga Thakur and the power of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, that dead body came back to life. And immediately he came and he bowed down to the Guru Maharaj and to his Guru. And he said, thank you, you have brought me back to life. And now, because the news spread that, oh, his name was Chaitanya Murari. Okay. So Chaitanya Murari's parents came to know that he is back to life. So they say, please come home with us. So he said, you gave me a life, but that life was over. I was taken back And then my guru came and my guru gave me life. So now I have to dedicate my life to him. So he cannot go back. And this was a very big shock for his parents, right? But they accepted it. So some for so what happens is this Murari Chaitanya Das, he was a very special devotee. One time he was dead once, right? So because of that, he had no fear of death. He was very fearless. One time he walked to a tiger, and what did he do? He just slapped the tiger and said, chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. And just like that, the tiger chanted. He chanted Hare Krishna. In the same way, he used to sometimes ride into the village on a tiger. He used to have a python around his body sometimes. So, although his Guru Maharaj, Saranga Thakur, had only one disciple, Murari Chaitanya Das had thousands of disciples. So, and then sometimes, even if he wanted to chant japa, he sometimes would go under the Ganges and sit under the Ganges and chant for days. That was how mystical and powerful he was. He was a very great yogi. Now we have another story about how the Lord protects his devotees. So, Navadvip at that time was one of the largest cities, okay, in the kingdom. And sometimes the guards would keep changing duties. So in that way, one time there was a warship with many soldiers that came. And so this one envious Brahmana was there. Okay. He was not very happy with Srivas Thakur. So we went to Srivas Thakur's house and said, see Srivas, it's only because of you. See, you are always chanting Hare Krishna like this. And because of that, now the king has sent an army. He is going to arrest all the Hindus. And so you're going to create a big problem for all of us. Seeing this, Srivas Thakur got so worried. He did not know that people would even lie, because he's such a very sincere devotee. He's a very sincere soul, right? So he thinks everyone is speaking the truth. So Srivas Thakur got so scared and he locked himself in the puja room and he started chanting and praying to Lord Narsimha Dev. He was saying, oh Narsimha Dev, what are some of the prayers that we can chant to Narsimha Dev? Okay, Subhadra, will you tell me? You are upside down. So let me.
And we can also say Narsimha Kavacham.
Oh, you can say very good. Then Sri Narsimha, Jai Narsimha. Yes, yes. Oh, everything he was saying, he was offering Narsimha prayers and he was saying, please protect all the Hindus because of what I've done. I have created so much of difficulty for everybody. Hare Krishna, Balavrinda, is your mother there? Will Mataji be able to
Mataji,
take care?
continue, Mataji. I'm there, but
okay. So, because of his sincerity, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself came and he knocked on Srivas Thakur's door. And he said, so when Srivas Thakur opened the door, he said, see, this is your Lord itself who is standing here. Just open. And Srivas opened the door. And what did he see? He saw the Lord holding with 4 hands, holding the Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. He was holding the conch, the lotus flower, the club, and the disc in his hand. And Lord Chaitanya said, see, you don't have to worry about anything. Nothing is going to stop the Sankirtan movement. So don't worry about anything. Don't be afraid. I am here. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he encouraged Srivas Thakur to continue the Sankirtan movement. Srivas Thakur is actually whom? Can you tell me? Yes, Subhadra.
Narada Muni.
Ah, very good. Yes, good job.
Narada Muni.
Yes, very good. He's Narada Muni. he is Narada Muni and he wanted to participate in Lord Gauranga's pastimes. So, in the same way, there are many devotees of the Lord who are there in both Krishna Leela and Gaura Leela, right? In Goloka Vrindavan, there are 4 sections. One is Vrajadham, then there is Mathura, there is Dwaraka, and there is Shvetadweep. So Lord Gauranga, he is in the Shvetadweep, in the spiritual world. And that's where all of these people would also be residing with him. Shall we go to another story? I have 2 more stories for you. Okay? Okay, good job, Jahnavi. Upside down, Jahnavi. Yeah, Vasudev Datta wanted to take the whole sins of the whole world. So Vasudev Datta was so compassionate that he wanted to take up the karma, all the karma, bad karma of everybody in this world. He said, just like other great souls take the karma of their followers and the sins of all their followers, let me take the sins of everyone, of all the conditioned souls. Why I should alone enjoy the love of Godhead? Everyone should get it. So I will take their sins and please let them have love of Godhead, love of Krishna. Let everyone experience what the ecstasy of chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna.
Very good. So Lord Chaitanya was saying, how can Krishna let all his devotees suffer for everyone else? So just because you are desiring and you want everyone to be liberated, I am going to allow that to happen. That is the Lord's ultimate mercy. He is allowing everyone to be liberated because he didn't want his devotee to suffer instead. And then there is another very sweet pastime. What is this pastime? This is the pastime of how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fed everyone mangoes. So one time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sankirtan party was so hungry, but there was no food. So the Lord said, can you please give me a seed of the mango, of 1 mango seed? So with 1 mango seed, someone gave it to him. And immediately he planted that seed, and right in front of everyone's eyes, that mango seed immediately sprouted, and from a plant it became a tree. From a tree it started bearing flowers, and then it bore fruits right at that moment. And very ripe mangoes were from there, with very big size mangoes with no seed and very thin skin. So now everyone could enjoy. Each devotee got one mango. And after just 1 mango, all of them were completely satisfied and they could do kirtan for the rest of the day. Okay, so that place is still there. If you have gone to Navadvip, you would know it is called Amghat. Okay, so those are some of our stories for today. I have a question for you. Can you share one situation where you felt the Lord's protection in your life? Does anyone want to go? Yes, I think Subhadra wearing
Hare
glasses.
Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak.
Okay, Deepak, can you tell me?
Mataji, this is Vrinda. Can Vrinda go?
Okay, sure, Vrinda. First, let Deepak go. Deepak started. Okay, after Deepak.
Mataji, I couldn't really understand what you said. Can you
Okay.
Tell me again.
I'm asking, can you give me one time, one situation when the Lord protected you in your life? Can you think of anything? Let's ask Vrinda because Vrinda seems to have an answer. Go ahead, Vrinda.
So, when I was seeing a book like about storms, I also it also showed me that there's some storms in Texas. So I prayed to Krishna, like
Very nice.
I just I said like would the storm stop, but I went to my dad one day and he said like the storms will keep going.
Okay. Yes.
It
Yes.
will never stop. Krishna Mataji, Kaushik, can I go? Hare Krishna Mataji, can I say? Can I understand? Deepak.
Okay. Okay. Deepak and Kaushik, please go ahead. And then we'll have Tanvik and Isha.
One day, we were playing in the rain. We put all our raincoats and we went out to the balcony to play in the rain. As we were playing, the rain got harder and harder. It was so hard, so we came inside. When we came inside, there was no electricity. So when we wanted to go to the bathroom, we couldn't switch on the switch, so we needed my mom and dad's phone. It was so scary to use that. So the Lord came and protected me.
Okay, very nice.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Tanvik, thank you. Yes.
So one time, a thief opened my mom's car, so the Lord destroy all the thieves.
You kept open what? Your mom's car?
Yeah, they were going to all. So my neighbor came and said the thieves opened my mom's car.
Oh, but then they didn't take anything?
Yeah, so my dad parked my mom's car in the garage. The thief come to open.
Oh my, that is scary. And Krishna protected you then, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. Okay, Isha and Vikram.
When we were going to India, we couldn't get the ticket because of the COVID-19, and I prayed to Krishna, please get our tickets, and we got the tickets because only one plane goes to India.
Oh yes, that is right. During COVID, we just had one single flight, right? That was going. Wow, very nice. Thank you so much for sharing that. Okay. Does anyone else want to say anything? Otherwise, shall we move on to the rhyme and the... Okay. Does anyone want to say something?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. My sister has 1 point.
Okay, go ahead, Kaushiki.
What point? Think. Excuse me, Mataji. Maybe you can pick us later. She has to think of a point. I already think. One human, he break the door and someone came and saw it. Mataji, she means someone with their leg, they were hitting door last time. and they got hurt on their feet. That's what she means.
Okay. Thank you, Kaushiki.
You're welcome, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Nirvi, did you want to say something?
No.
Okay. Okay, so then let us ask Saroja Nandini Mataji to please take over for the rhyme and the shloka. Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, so we will start with the rhyme today first. And this rhyme is about Advaita, who is one in the Panchatattva, right? Do you all know Advaita Acharya?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so there are, apart from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda, there are three more in the Panchatattva. Who are they? Advaita Acharya, then Srivas Thakur, and Gadadhar Pandit. Okay, so this rhyme is about Advaita Acharya, who is one of the Panchatattva.
Hare Krishna,
Okay.
Mataji. It's
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. It's Deepak. Can I say the rhyme?
Let's first do the rhyme for those who are not familiar. First, repeat the rhyme and then you can sing individually. Okay, please repeat, everyone. It's the same tune, all lines, so please repeat. Do you know this man who called the Lord to descend on this earth?
Do you know this man who called the Lord to descend on this earth?
Do you know this man who prayed to Lord to descend on this earth?
Do you know this man who prayed to descend on this earth?
He is one of great Acharya we have in this Kali Yuga.
He is yoga.
He is very loving, kind, and compassionate to fallen souls.
He is
He is the avatara of Sadashiva and Mahavishnu.
He is the Atavara of Vishnu.
He sat on the bank of Ganges crying loudly to the Lord.
He sat on the bank of Ganges
Yes, the Lord heard his cry and appeared in Kali Yuga.
Yes,
He came in his golden hue as merciful Lord Gauranga.
He came in his
Lord Gauranga.
Do you know he is dancing as one in the Panchatattva?
Do you know he's dancing as one as in the Panchatattva?
He is called the Acharya, Advaita Acharya.
He is called the Acharya.
All glories to you, dear Advaita Acharya.
All glories to you, dear
Acharya.
Let's all take his blessings to get the mercy of Supreme Lord.
Let's
Supreme Lord.
Okay, I think you all must be familiar because it's a very simple tune and it's mostly repetition. Same tune. So let's move to the shloka. The shloka is from second chapter 7. So we're going to
Hare
learn the first
Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Is this a different shloka or
this is a different shloka than the last week.
oh? Mataji, let me go get my shloka book.
Okay, you have it on the screen also. Otherwise, you can just see and read from the screen. And first, let's repeat the first. We are going to learn just one line today. Please repeat after me. Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagavan
Ashochan Anvashocastvam. Ashochan Anvashocastvam. Prajnavadanscha bhashase. Prajnavadanscha bhashase. Sri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagavan
Shochalanvashocastvam. Prajnavadanscha bhashase. Sri Bhagavanuvacha. Ashochalanvashocastvam. Prajnavadanscha bhashase. Okay, the word starts with P, okay? Prajna. Prajnavadanscha bhashase. Sri Bhagavanuvacha. Ashochalanvashocastvam. Okay, so we will go to the translation. Please repeat after me. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said,
The Supreme Personality of God said,
while speaking learned words, you are mourning for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the living Okay, so what is Krishna speaking about here? He is telling Arjuna that you are really worrying about something that you should not worry about because you're not the body. Even if you the body, your soul will go on living.
About the body.
Yeah, because Arjuna is thinking about his body and he's thinking that everybody else on the battlefield is also their body. So he thinks that what if I kill all these people? So he gets worried about all the people being killed. That's why he was having a lot of sadness or grief inside. So Krishna is saying, you're not worrying something that is not worthy. It's not worth to think about these things because the body is temporary. So that's the shloka. It's a very important shloka from the second chapter. Let's move on to the break room. So let's see how many of you can try saying the rhyme and the shloka.
Okay, Mataji, I'll go to the break room.
Yeah, and while we are breaking into the rooms, those who want to say the rhyme and shloka, please raise your hands virtually on the app. Let me share the screen. Okay, can you all see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen, Mataji. Yes.
Okay, I'm seeing
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Can I say Mataji?
I think Rasika and Kishori, you can go first.
Can I say Jahnavi?
Yes, after Rasika. Okay, Rasika and Kishori, do you want to go first?
I don't श्लोक नाही कळालं म्हणा मला हे I don't know the rhyme म्हणा.
I don't know the rhyme.
Okay, you want to do the shloka?
चालेल
Yes.
म्हणा.
Okay, go ahead.
हा.
Ashok.
श्री भगवान.
Shri Bhagavanuvach Ashochananvashocastvam Prajnavadamscha bhasase Gatasun agatasumscha Nanushocanti panditaha.
The Supreme Lord said,
The Supreme Lord said,
while speaking learned words,
while speaking learned words,
you are mourning
you are mourning
for what is not
for what is not
worthy of grief.
worthy of grief.
Those who are wise
Those who are wise
lament
lament
neither for
neither for
living or dead.
living or dead. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Rasika. And it's not required
Hare
that
Krishna, Mataji. It's Deepak. Can I say the shloka?
Jahnavi wanted
Can I
to
go?
do. Yes, Jahnavi, you can go next. You can go, Jahnavi.
Shri Bhagavan Vasha Ashosaya Anvashasham Tvatmam Pragnavadam Savasate. Okay.
Rhyme, Mataji.
The rhyme. I know the rhyme second.
Yes, okay, you can try. Rhyme, Mataji. Can you open the
Mataji, the rhyme.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, Mataji. Do you know this man who calls the Lord, who this and on this? Do you know this man who prayed to Lord to descend on this earth? He is one of the great Ashrayas we have in Kali Yuga. He is very loving, kind, and compassionate to fallen souls. He is a Advaita Sarva Shiva Mahavishnu. He said Nanda Bringa crying loudly to the Lord. Yes, the Lord of His crying loudly to the Lord. Yes, he cried pure and Kali. He came as a golden hue. Do you know his dancing is one in the Panchatattva? He is called Advaita Acharya. All glories to you, dear Advaita Acharya. Let us give blessings to the mercy of the Supreme.
Thank you so much, Jahnavi. That was so nice. I think we are running out of time. The rhyme is a little big. So let's do the shlokas. And let's do the rhyme first. Okay, let's all do the rhyme first. I will sing and then you all can repeat. And then we will do the shloka one by one. Okay? So one turn, please. Everybody repeat the rhyme with me. Do you know this man who called the Lord to descend on this earth? Everybody together.
Do you know this man who called the Lord descend on this earth?
Do you know this man who prayed to Lord to descend on this earth?
Do you know this man who prayed to Lord to descend on this earth?
He is one of great Acharya we have in this Kali Yuga.
He is one of great Acharya we have in this Kali Yuga.
He is very loving, kind, and compassionate to fallen souls.
He is very loving, loving, kind, and compassionate, loving souls.
He is the avatara of Sadashiva and Mahavishnu.
He is Shiva Mahavishnu.
He sat on the bank of Ganges crying loudly to the Lord.
He sat on the
Yes, the Lord heard his cry and appeared in Kali Yuga. Came in his golden heat was merciful Lord Gauranga.
He is the incarnation of Lord Gauranga.
Garanga.
Do you know he's dancing as one in the Panchatattva?
He is dancing as one of the Panchatattva.
Called the Acharya Advaita Acharya.
He is Advaitacharya, Advaitacharya.
All glories to you, dear Advaita Acharya.
All glory to you, dear Advaitacharya.
Let's all take his blessings to get the mercy of Supreme Lord.
Let us get the mercy of Supreme Lord.
Okay, thank you, kids. So because of shortage of time, we did it together. And whoever wants to do the shloka, just please do the shloka. Don't do the
Sloka.
yes. So please don't do the translation. Just do the shloka.
Mataji,
Okay,
can I see the sloka? Can I see the sloka after?
Sloka.
Yes, after Deepak, Kavish can go. Okay, Deepak, go ahead.
Sri Bhagavan Vacha Associan Bhagavati
Anvashochastvam.
Anvashodastvam Prajana Vadams Cha Basas
Bhashase.
Vashase. Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you.
Thank you, Deepak.
No,
Okay, let's
no,
go
I
to
cannot.
Kavish. Okay, Kavish, can you go next? Can you do the shloka?
Mataji, can you help me?
Ashochan Anvashochastvam. Anvashochas. Prajnavadams. Shabashase. Good job. Thank you, Kavish. Let's move to Rishikesh. Rishikesh, please go ahead.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha Ashotyananvasocastvam Prajnavadamscha Basase Gatasu Nagatasumscha Namasochanti Panditaha. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you, Rishikesh. That was so nice. Let's move to Kishori. Kishori, do you want to do the shloka?
Shri Bhagwan Vacha, Mana.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha
Asho.
Ashocyananvasocastvam Prajnavadamscha Basase Gatasunam Kathan.
Sumsha. Nanu Shochanti. Good job.
Thank you, Kishori. That was so cute. Okay, let's move to Isha and Vikram. Isha?
Bhagavan Vacha Asacham Ashato
Anvashochas.
Anvashochas Distam
Prajnavadams.
Pragyavanavka Bhagavase.
Okay. Thank you so much, Isha. Anybody else who wants to try the shloka?
Shri Bhagavan Vacha.
Shri Bhagwan Vacha Sachonan Kanyavanan Savasade Sada Sanjagada Nana Sajan Bandita. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Vrinda. That was so nice. Okay, Prahlad wants to try. Go ahead, Prahlad.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha Sachonan Asmuchastvam Pagnyavadam Shivasate Katam Somcha Agatasomscha Nana Sochanti Panditaha.
Thank you so much, Prahlad. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, we still have 2-3 days to do the rhyme still. So who have not learned the rhyme, you can learn the rhyme, and then again we can do it next tomorrow. Are we, Mataji, are we going to join back from the break room, or are we going to end the call?
Yeah, Mataji, we can do Vaishnava prayers. We have another 2 more minutes, but we can still do Vaishnava prayers. But when Mataji comes back, we can close it.
Okay. Okay. So I think nobody else is still raising the hand. So we will end the call here with the Vaishnava Pranam mantra. Okay. So everybody together. Vancha
Namo Namaha. Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye. Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye. Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
I don't know, where is Sindhu Mataji? Still she's not coming back. It's 6:14.
We leave. Mataji, can you cut the call, Mataji?
I remember last time she, I think, finished the call in the break room itself. I'm not sure. That's why I was doubtful.
Yeah,
Okay,
I can do that, but I'm just waiting to come back. Okay. Let's wait 1 minute and see, Mataji.
Mataji, thank you to make me learn the sloka.
Oh, in the room. Yeah, I think they're coming back, Mataji, now. They'll be there in a minute.
Indu Mataji is there.
Yeah, Indu Mataji will be coming back. Then we will close the call.
Hare Krishna Sita Bedi Mataji.
Indu Mataji, we did already Vaishnava prayers, Mataji.
Shall we end it?
Yeah, yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Indu Mataji.